to the Muffin Show. Today I'll be showing you how to make blueberry muffins. First you need your mixer, your muffin mix, your bowl, your milk, a half cup, some muffin mix, which I already said, a pan, and some of these. And we're gonna make 12. First you're gonna pour this, which I already did already. Then you're gonna pour your milk all the way. And you're going to stir it up. Then what you want to do is pour it into that pan. Oh, I almost forgot something. You need these. So don't have two. This is what I look like. Now you're gonna open the oven. You're gonna put this in. You're gonna close it. Preheat oven to 425. So I just took them out of the oven and they look pretty good. If you followed my instructions, and tell me how it tastes. I hope you had fun.